So this is my Make It Memorable project. It's not an original name, but it tells what it does. So boxing is a worldwide sport. It's been around since 3000 BC, Egypt. I mean, really, boxing is just a form of fighting. Martial arts, mixed martial arts, boxing, all those other types have been around forever. They can be used from entertainment or to solve a problem between two people. And so there was in Rome, they had gladiators could use this as a weapon. It's kind of like a combination between a boxing glove and brass knuckles. It was just a steel ring that they had around their knuckles that they could use to hit with more force and damage their opponents. So nowadays, though, boxing has become more civilized, and in the process of boxing itself, you wrap your hands as to provide support for the wrist and more padding to the knuckles, just in case the boxing gloves don't do it that much. But people have actually been trying to find ways to go back to the roots and give the boxing glove itself a bit of an unfair edge. Now, what they use is it's a plaster called plaster of Paris, and they call it that because there are huge deposits of this in Paris, and it's plaster of Paris. And what people can do is they can hide it into the hand wraps themselves, and the thing about this is that when moisture is applied, like water, like sweats, it hardens up into a concrete-like substance, allowing you to hit a lot harder than you would normally. So my solution is a compression band sewn into the boxing glove itself, eliminating the need for a hand wrap to go around, because really the boxing glove, a good one, is going to give enough cushion for the knuckles as to not damage you. But the hand wrap is really there for wrist support, and if we can provide that wrist support, it eliminates even the opportunity for the use of plaster of Paris. So if they can't use it, then they can't use it. Now, for chemistry, plaster of Paris is a great example of like changing states of matter. Like for instance, it's when applied to moisture, it turns into a solid. So it goes from liquid to solid. And my math connection, in order to understand what is needed to make it the cheapest possible, we need to understand how hard boxers hit, get the average of that for the force, so we can understand the compressibility needed and how well the sewing job is needed to be done. So thank you. That's my